Ever felt like your neighbor's TV is in your living room? You're not alone. Excessive noise can disrupt sleep, concentration, and even your sanity. Let's dive into reclaiming your peace without emptying your wallet. Noise pollution isn't just annoying, it can impact your health. Studies show that constant noise can lead to stress and sleep disturbances. But don't worry, affordable solutions are within reach. Let's explore them together. Think you need fancy gadgets to soundproof? Think again. Rugs, curtains, and even books can be your best friends in noise reduction. Let's see how these everyday items can transform your space. Repurposing household items is not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. By strategically placing rugs and curtains, you can absorb sound waves and reduce echo. It's simple, effective, and budget-friendly. Ready to get creative? DIY soundproofing panels are a game changer. Using materials like foam and fabric, you can craft panels that block noise effectively. Let's unleash your inner DIY enthusiast. Strategic furniture placement can work wonders. By blocking sound pathways, you can minimize noise intrusion. Plus, weather stripping and door sweeps seal those pesky noise leaks. Affordable and efficient. We've explored why soundproofing matters and how to achieve it affordably. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with one room and witness the transformation. Your peace is just a few steps away. Now it's your turn. Take action today. Gather those household items and start your soundproofing journey. Together, let's create a quieter, more peaceful environment. Ready to reclaim your space?